Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I will show you a very smart technique on how you can get the list of all the measures in your PowerPivot data model. So we have this data model, we have the PowerPivot diagram view, and we have the data view where we have here all the measures. So we want a list of all the measures, and the final result will be this. We will get the list with the table name, the measure name, and the actual measure, as you can see here. Let's get started. We go to a blank cell where we can open a new sheet where we will put this table, and we go to data, existing connections, and we go to tables. We choose one table no matter what, and we open it. We have table and existing worksheet. We put it here, for example. We put it in the first cell. Okay, so we have the table, but we are not interested in this table. We go to one cell of the table, click right, table, and edit DAX. And here, instead of table, we choose DAX. And now we will put the following formula. Don't worry, I will put this formula in the description of the video. So I copied this code here. Okay, it's an SQL code, and we click OK. And now we have all the formulas, all the measures, and their name. Okay, you see how many measures we have. So this is the smart trick for getting all the measures at once. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.